Hey, how's it going, everybody? Sarasota Tim coming to you from downtown Jacksonville, Florida at Riverwalk. Look at that beautiful skyline behind me and that wonderful bridge. So we're going to take a walk down here. I'm at the Wyndham Hotel, yes, and Ruth's Chris. And the valet person told me that he would give me complimentary parking right next to him over there, no charge. They normally get $20 to park you here. Valet. It's probably not that expensive if you park yourself, but it's just a short walk down this ramp here. I hope you enjoy the video, and here we go. Riverwalk, Jacksonville, Florida, downtown. Never been there before in my life, so it's first time for me. May not be your first time, but some of you it may be. Let's go see it. Okay, I'm all mic'd up, and they got a lot of traffic here. This is a big bridge. Hopefully we'll get away from that pretty soon. There's a lot of bridges. If it wasn't for the technology and GPS today, I wouldn't have been able to get in here. Yeah, oh, it's a DoubleTree. I'm sorry, not the Wyndham. It's the DoubleTree I'm parked at. And Ruth's Chris Steakhouse is right there. It is a crisp 45, 47 degrees currently. It's supposed to get up to, I don't know, 60 degrees today. And I was told that I can actually go in the lobby, take an elevator down, and walk out to this area. But I chose this direction because I wanted to see that nice big bridge. There's a big yacht over there. This is the underground parking. And I did Google it, and I read about this, that it's kind of hidden. So if you come to the DoubleTree, just follow yourself on around and pay your parking fee and come on down. Oh, I see a lot of interesting things already. So let me get over there. All right, here's the first little entrance you can come out. I see why they call it Riverwalk now. It is an absolute walkway on the river. Let me take a picture of that beautiful skyline. Wells Fargo building there. So I guess they got these little river rides you can take. Bank building here. Looks like residential building right over there. And of course that's the DoubleTree by Hilton. Hey, I can get a rate there. I get the Hilton Properties deal. Wow, I could have definitely have wore my long johns. It's quite chilly, especially on this water here. So this is obviously a little taxi area here where you can get on these river taxi boats that take people out. There's a big military looking boat over there. I'll zoom in for you in just a moment.
That one's on.
Feels good in the sunshine. It's going to be cold right up here in this shade. Looking at the map, it's kind of a rounded horseshoe type island, if I'm in the right area, with some shops and things. Yeah, take a look at that military boat over there. I don't know what kind of a ship it is. Yeah, if you come down here and you want to take a river ride and see it, they got plenty of these boats. Business is a little slow right now, a little chilly. I hear a helicopter. Military. Yeah. You know, living here in Jacksonville, I'm now a proud resident, soon to be, once I get all my paperwork done. I am a Jacksonville Jaguar fan. They have a football team here. Looks like a big stadium right over there on the other side. Another big bridge up there with big steel over it. A lot of units in that building, I'll tell you. Wow. I own this place out here. Nobody in their right mind would be out here right now. It's very cold. I see a boat coming way down there. I wonder what stadium is that? Is that the, let me show you. Is that the stadium? Downtown Jacksonville. It could very well be. This mural in this building here. Oh Lord, get me in the sun. Wow. Zipping up. I bought this jacket just in time at BJ's. Jacksonville looks like a nice, clean city. I'll have to drive around some more. Oh, look at this parking garage right there. Oh, I can't go any further here. What's the deal? Where are all the shops I heard about? This is where I'm supposed to be looking for, right here. Okay. Where are you here? All right. Let's keep going. Let me see. You are here. So maybe there's that boat that was coming. He's already up here. I thought there were like lots of little eateries and shops and stuff along the walk here. Still got their big Christmas tree inside there. Man, I need earmuffs. It's absolutely freezing in the shade between these buildings. Where is my long johns? Wow. These little pools of water here. Well, I plan on getting around everywhere, folks. There's a lot more content to come. I was talking to somebody about going to this Talbot Islands out near Boneyard Beach or something like that. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to go to St. Augustine, which is only 30 miles south of Jacksonville. Historic St. Augustine, the oldest city in America. Some shops right there. They have these all around everywhere. I guess you just get on them and do something to go around. I mean, you got to use your credit card or something, I would imagine. Buildings, lots of buildings. Parking garages. Kind of a quiet time right now, isn't it? Like not a lot of traffic for a downtown area. I may not be in the heart of downtown. There's the DoubleTree way over there. I'll be walking back towards. And so I kind of thought there was more. I may not be on the right side or didn't go the right area. Feels very safe and clean and nice. Definitely feels like Florida, not weather-wise, not South Florida, but you know, you see the greenery and the palm trees and different things that give it away. I think that's an old DoubleTree there. I'm parked right up on the top. Short walk back. Jacksonville Riverwalk. Well, we walked it. We saw it. Okay. Let's get on up out of here. Turn the heater on and go crush something else. It's a big, beautiful building right there. They got some views, don't they, in their offices up there. That one goes way up. Well, let's venture on more downtown. I'll video maybe from the IATI, from the dash, and we'll just drive around and see what we got. I'm over here, up the ramp. Very nice of the young man to let me park for free right next to him up here. Doesn't seem to be any putting anybody out right now. Nobody's around. I told him I was a YouTuber and I just wanted to shoot a video of this Riverwalk. Who's ever eaten at Ruth's Chris Steakhouse? Who's got the money? I don't say that in a mean way. I just know it's expensive. I'd like to try it, but it's above my pay grade. I don't know if I can enjoy my meal having to pay that much money. But I guess they're pretty good. They've been in business a long time. The DoubleTree. You guys know Jacksonville. You recognize these buildings and where I'm at. I've had a few subscribers tell me they're living here in Jacksonville, east side, west side. Offered to help me out if I needed any directions or a point of view of anything. Very kind of you. I sure enjoyed that LA Fitness this morning. Felt good to get back in the gym and work out. I just went right down the line and did every machine I could get on. I did 20 reps, worked with about 30 pounds, unless it was something I could put up more. And I'm sure I'm going to feel it tomorrow, but I didn't want to go too heavy. I probably did. So here we are back at the crusher, not the crasher, and we crushed it.